I be hoping he'd be keeping a good eye on the treasure. That treasure of the Blackheart of Brixham. Now we have a job we are doing. Because somebody be coming to try and get our treasure. And that I be not allowed. So I have a job for you. You, Sir Ed. I know you don't feel the same part, big lackey, black beard and all that. But it comes with a time of age, I'll be a telling you. You, be hiding behind that rock there, waiting for him to come. I be hiding over there, so that as he comes in, we pounce upon him and kill him. Something he'd be liking to do. I be knowing that. And you, Jack, my young sir, not so young by looks, people. Well, you can just sit here and look after the treasure. Because you'll be no good with us, or you never will. Do you remember you used to have two women fighting for me? They be kind of called Arn and Mari. That'll bring a light heart to your bones, young sir. Well, you be staying here if that man, he gets beyond Eddie and me. Then, you can talk him to death. That's what you be good at. You be good at the gift of the gab, I be a knowing that. So come on, Eddie, me sir. Blackbeard, as they be calling thee, and Cunny Jack. They be good friends of mine. So, let me go to Blackheart of Brixham. I be having business to attend to. Savvy! I believe we be having a call.